This is the RZ46i with the bagger kit. And this latch is supposed to have enough tension to hold this. And what I'll find is I'll be mowing the lawn. And it pops and then the bags come out. So I believe that this is going to be an appropriate solution here. We would try and remediate that, short of re-engineering the whole thing. And of course it's out of production and they don't make this. Newer bagger systems to retrofit. My parents have a Deere, I think it's a 335 series, and it seems like the latch on it's well thought out, better design than this system. So in keeping with production gear that I have, I'm not going to buy a whole new lawnmower just because of this latch. I think that this is a reasonable solution. Maybe someone else will find this handy.